So today I'm going to share with you 3 amazing facts that you might not know about Facebook. So welcome back to another episode of Arnold Sharing, where I'll be sharing with you what are the companies that I am actually looking at currently right now in the stock market. So one stock that actually caught my eye for about a year already is this company called Facebook. And I believe that this is a company that most of you, if not all of you, are using. Now I already hear some of you saying, no, I don't use Facebook anymore. Who still uses Facebook? But actually, right, there's a lot of people still using Facebook, especially the older generation. So millennials, right, they are actually using another social media platform called Instagram. So let me just review my first amazing fact about Facebook that you might not know. So the first amazing fact, right, is that Instagram is actually part of Facebook. That's right. So Facebook actually owns Instagram. So let me just give you this scenario. As an investor of Facebook, right, whenever I scroll through an ad, what is the difference between me and a non-investor of Facebook? A non-investor of Facebook might think, this is such a waste of time, why can't I just skip it? But as an investor, right, whenever I surf the net or whenever I use social media, right, I will be thinking, wow, I'm making money just looking at this ad. Because that is how Facebook actually earns its money, is through advertising. So one way to make your social media surfing or your internet surfing more enjoyable is just invest in Facebook. So the second amazing fact that you might not know is, okay, now you're telling me, no, I don't use Instagram, I don't use Facebook. Do you use WhatsApp? So that is the second amazing fact that I'm going to share with you. Actually, WhatsApp is part of Facebook. So you can see that Facebook actually have a lot of pipelines that they can actually get money from. So they can actually, just by an instant, right, make advertising available on WhatsApp, and you'll be able to look at them and you'll be able to make money from them. So that is the second amazing fact that you might not know about Facebook. So the third amazing fact that you might not know about Facebook is Facebook is growing extraordinarily fast. You know, I'm so excited as an investor because whenever I see Facebook, right, I see it growing at 50% a year, at least 50% a year. So as an investor, you know, I'm using Facebook, I'm using Instagram, I'm using WhatsApp, and you know, I can see this product and I am using this product, and I'm actually making money through this product by helping my company to actually earn more money. So these are the 3 amazing facts that you might not know about Facebook. So I hope you learned something today, and you know, if you like this kind of content, you like this kind of video, give it a like and tell me what you want to hear next in the comments. So I'll see you next week.